And the next thing that we will solve is the number 3. Generate a report showing books that belong to multiple categories. Include the book title, categories, and the number of categories they belong to. So first, we will select the book title, and then we will combine all the categories of the book into one list, sorted alphabetically. So we will use the group concatenate. See that category ID, mean category name, then order by, see that category name as categories. Yes. The next thing we will do is to count how many unique categories that the book belongs to. We will use the count function, count distinct, distinct, PD that category ID. PD it means the book, book, um, book details. Category as number of categories. Then we will start with the book table. Book. And then we will connect the book details table to the book table using book ID. We use the um, join function. Join book details. It's up to you kung saan yung gamitin yung join. Inner join tells BD on B book ID equals to BD.ID. And then next nga atong combine is the join category table. Category on BD.category ID. Category ID. Then equals to C at category ID. So i-join ninyo. And then after that we will group the results so that each book appears only once. Group by book ID. And then having count, we will use the having count. Dili siyang balik-balik. Distinct. Dili siyang balik-balik. Ang mga parehas. Category ID is greater than 1. Then we will sort also the results alphabetically by the book title. Order by B that book title. Mo ira na ikapisa na to siya. But if ira na to siya, I don't know if na mo gawas. Wow. Mhm. Mhm. Kung ira na to siya, balik. So wala siya yung result na mo gawas because I think may problem sa book. Walay, like, ang book, walay more than one na category. So we will adjust the um the table, think book details. So ato ang i-ano ang kani Mere Christianity. Insert tab new. Then siya. Book ID, may Christianity man. Kung ano, ang category we will not touch or not. Ito na lang. So, pinsa na lang atong ano publisher ID, edition, first edition, publication date, mhm, na lang, tapos tag 5, type ID, and library, main, go. Wait. Ulahi ato ang B9, 921. So, naka-insert na ta og book. Let's see if gana ba siya karon. Kapisa na to. Nahiway pa, nahiway. So, try na to og run if nana ba'y magawas na um, table or result. Here, makita na to. So, naa siya. Kaya nag-add, nag-insert man ta to man gi-alter ang table. So, here, makita na to ang result. So, hindi man po ta og create view. Create view. Okay. Create view books, multiple categories. As yes. Copy lang na to. Nira. For the create procedure later. Here, kita na to ang is. You forgot to, put view. Sorry, I forget view. Forgot view. Then next, we will create the procedure na. Nato gyapon delimiter that create procedure. Get lang gyapon na to. Get books multiple categories. Siya with multiple categories. Get book. That and then here pod and I forgot the begin. At mag-begin and delimiter. Balik-balik lang process but nanana kay SQL code. Dali na kayo mag-create views and procedure. So, let's see. Now, add basta procedures. Here, execute. Here, makita na nato. That's it for the third problem.